Summers are nearly here, and this is a time when we are out and about, enjoying the weather, playing sports, and cooling down. Now, while we are still on a vacation mode, it is equally important to take care of our teeth as well. Here, I want to share a few easy tips which you can practice while still enjoying the summer. The first and a very basic tip is to stop using your teeth as a tool. Don't use your teeth to open bottles or wrappers or bags, chew on hard ice or any harmful habits which can damage your teeth. Now the consequences of using your teeth as a tool can develop, hairline cracks or micro cracks onto the tooth, which are hard to see but can definitely lead to potential problem in the near future. Second is to protect your teeth while enjoying, summer sports. Whether you are a recreational or a professional sports player, start using a mouth guard. A mouth guard helps to prevent the teeth from chipping or losing or taking up those, direct heavy impacts or blow onto the tooth. It also helps your teeth and your jaws from clenching, which most of the people tend to do while doing, anything with endurance or while competing. Third is to be ready with your dental emergency kit. Whether you are traveling or enjoying a one-day trip, it is important to have a dental emergency kit on hand. So this kit should include basically a small piece of cloth, a sterile gauze or cotton, and a few medications like painkillers which suit you. Fourth is to not to succumb to cold temptation in excess. While the temperature heats up, it is quite natural, to sip on those cold and sweet beverages, packaged juices, and aerated drinks. But prolonged exposure to such drinks can definitely damage your teeth. So alternatively, you can use a straw, which can avoid direct contact of your teeth with the juices or the drinks, or you can directly rinse your mouth after such drinks, which can wash out the excess sugars or residues which are left out in your mouth. Fifth is to avoid getting those swimming stains. Now, excessive exposure of your teeth surface to chlorine, which is a chemical substance added into the swimming pools for disinfection, can cause brownish discolorations and stains on your teeth, especially the front teeth. Now, this discoloration is because chlorine, being highly acidic, breaks down the salivary proteins, which start to deposit onto the tooth surface. So, what you can do is to gently brush your teeth once you're out of the pool, or at least rinse thoroughly your oral cavity once you're out of the pool. Fifth is drink plenty of water. It is critically important to keep yourself hydrated, especially in a country like India where most of the regions experience high temperature. Keeping yourself hydrated, prevents excessive drying of your mouth, which leads to bad breath. It boosts salivary flow, and it washes out anything which is like residue or any remnant food particles which is stuck in your teeth. So keeping yourself hydrated is not just important for your general health but your oral health as well. Seventh is to not to indulge in your into sweets. Everything has to be in moderation. While it can be challenging to satisfy your sweet tooth, but remember, try to limit the consumption of sweets, or at least make it a part of your meal, especially after dinners. Avoid anything sweets, or at least make sure you brush your teeth while you have them. Eighth, the most important tip is to stick to your oral hygiene routine. Brushing, flossing, and rinsing with a mouthwash are three main important paradigms of your daily dental routine. So, one routine which you cannot afford to compromise on is your oral hygiene routine, because summers simply come and go, but your teeth are forever.